In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft for free. So the first step is to open a browser and then search for Minecraft trial. Click on the first link and then scroll down here and you'll see the download options. Just select whichever option you want. I'm going to choose Windows Java Edition. And then it's going to start installing. Click open or save it somewhere. And then it's going to pop up. So just check this box and then click on install. It's going to now start updating or downloading. Once it's done downloading, it's going to show you this. Just click let's go. And then it's going to ask you to choose a Microsoft account. So just choose one that you haven't played Minecraft with before. So I'm going to choose this one right here. And then they're just going to ask you to customize your profile. So just go through the steps. Click on let's go once you're done. And then click on sign in with Microsoft if you have to. And here it is loading. And once it's done, you can actually start playing Minecraft. So let's go to home and you can click play demo to play it. And just keep in mind that this is the demo version, not the real version, and this is like a trial, a free trial. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.